Habayakran bikinong thok kubor haga jingan lang u director ketenat sports and youth affairs u Diki di Shira. U state director jongka Mai Bharat Meghalaya u Sarvendra Pratap Singh but u co-convener jong Unity March Meghalaya u Hemanta Timung. U Menteri Ketenat Sports and Youth Affairs ke Jelau ba Wailadmiki Shila, witho ba Ketenat Youth Affairs and Sports ke Sarkar Pedang kala betha ke Jela ban penlong ya ka Unity March ke Bejing Rakhe. Ya ka lengkho senam singkha ke basis pa asan jong Sardar Vallabhai Patel hak lengkari. Witho ba ya campaign na play akan rutri urisau do Menteri Ketenat Elakai kari u Dr. Mansuk Mandavia. Berkani mentah kelaya cekmat da kejing penlong ya kejing kop to essay kejing kop girensan social media but leadership program lengba kamai Bharat portal keblai shimbanta dik samlana kelengkari. Uba wailan miki shelau le pentep baga wat kebaar jengka campaign kan sedang nadok kelai puitri urisau batkan beteng hadok arp santerik unai wieng. Hagaban penlong yaki padiatra haki distrik kibrana keleng kejela Meghalaya hagaba kejingiat kan long hadok pra do 10 kilometer. Bagani kejingiat kejat kan amlong tangkum ke program nrei gede kejing kersio ki patba kemo Sardar Patel ula peneteli kejela banthayo ke bigari. Uletho bagi dekat jangka Mai Bharat ke NCC ke NSS ki kena ki school ki college ki kenhuan jang ki imlang salang pat jang ki nyam beper keman mai shim bantah ka padiatra. Baru lepas ti kena mau uru ni shim bentalang bat ni aware bat ban pha dak sitish ki MLA bagaimana shim bentalang hagane ke Unity March. Ulang bamenta kirang penkrek ban penlong ya kene ke Unity March haga bagini selok bat ki head officer jong district bat ketenat pulet. Dak benta bat pej bat kemi egur kompanya di kali bat kiwai ki jingdon kam.
Share with you all that we have been directed from the Ministry of Sport and Youth Affairs to conduct the Unity March for the 150th birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhai Patel. So today we are witnessing a truly historic occasion. This is not just another press conference but a platform to share details about the Path Yatras that will soon begin across the nation and in our region. This campaign is one that seek to awaken the soul of the nation. Through this press conference, we are making the beginning of the Sardar 150 Unity March in our region to commemorate the 150th birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhai Patel. Friends, this is a great moment for all of us, an opportunity to pay tribute to the man whose courage and resolve bound together a fragmented India into one united whole. We all know Sardar Patel as the Iron Man of India. But his real strength wasn't just his iron will, it is his unwavering belief that India is one, India is indivisible, and India will remain indivisible forever.